Hi, hope you're doing well. I'm going to show you some Visual Basic that you can put into the editor that will remove the wrap text from all the cells in your spreadsheet. So let's get started. Developer, Visual Basic. We'll insert a new module. Let's call it RemoveWrapText. Okay, now start off the string. So I'm going to put in Cells.Select, and what I'm putting in should mean that it will remove wrap text from everywhere without you having to manually select where it is. So once it's selected the cells, Selection.WrapText equals false. That will remove it. And to make sure it covers everything on the spreadsheet, we'll just define that. Okay, so that's going to basically saying selecting the cell, it's removing the wrap text, and it's automatically fitting it to across the cells in either the row or the column. That should be about it. Let's put in some wrap text and run the macro and see how it goes. Okay. Let's wrap text on this cell. We'll write something. The bus was 10 hours late. Okay. Wrap text in another cell. The plane was flying at 38,000 feet. Right, let's run this macro. And it'll do that for everything on your spreadsheet. So there might be circumstances where you have wrap text everywhere on a spreadsheet. Perhaps you've received a spreadsheet from someone else. It's formatted badly. There's wrap text everywhere where you think that it's unnecessary. Put in this code, run the macro for it. It'll automatically remove everything, and it could make your job a lot easier. So I hope this has been useful, and thanks for watching.